One of the major trends we're seeing within digital identity is around interoperability, exploring the challenges and advantages around interoperability and what its introduction means for the market. So, looking at this within the European Union, EIDAS2 is having a major impact here and will bring a fully fledged interoperable identity scheme into being within the EU. We're also seeing interoperability being explored in the form of digital travel credentials. However, this is something that's going to take a little while to scale up. With this being travel, it will need a long time for all the different parts that need to accept this to do so, but this will be a major future trend within interoperability and identity. Another key trend we're seeing is the hybridization of identity, where physical identity documents and digital identity documents are both being offered and are being merged. Now, this has a few different advantages. One of the key ones is that there has been a lot of public skepticism around digital identity in certain markets, most notably the UK. So having the ability to have a physical identity and a digital identity means that you're not forcing a mandatory requirement on certain people. It also allows governments to leverage some of the spend they've already made within the physical identity world and bring that into the digital identity space, creating a more effective system that doesn't make people do things they're not comfortable with. Of course, one of the major trends we're seeing is the introduction of regulation that's driving digital identity forward. Whether this is the EIDAS2 within the EU, or the Online Safety Act and the introduction of reusable digital identities within the UK market, or whether it's NIST within the US, there are major regulatory changes that are having a real impact in terms of what the digital identity market looks like. Fundamentally, we expect these regulations to have a major impact on what digital identity means for each country, and it's important to watch for the future of the space. There are several reasons why we've selected Thales as an established leader within our competitor leaderboard for digital identity. I think one of the major reasons is their offering of hybrid credentials, combining both physical and digital identity capabilities. This sets them apart from the crowd and really differentiates them within the identity space. They also have a wealth of experience and the breadth and depth within their portfolio to really meet different identity requirements as they emerge. Thales is also involved in a number of European digital identity consortia, which really demonstrates its commitment to leading digital identity in Europe, but in a really collaborative way. These different consortia and initiatives include Aptitude, Odysseus, Nobid, Potential, and WeBuild, and these really demonstrate Thales' commitment to work in a collaborative way to drive digital identity forward. Thales also has a wealth of experience within the digital identity space. They generate a significant amount of revenue in this market, and they're one of the leaders in this regard, which really speaks to their experience and deep understanding of the digital identity market and its requirements.